Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the error code F5E0 on your Kitchenaid range, you're in the right place. This pesky code, which might pop up in 2025 models or others, typically signals an issue with the oven door lock mechanism. Don't worry, it's often an easy fix that you can handle at home. Let's dive in. First things first, safety is key. Before you start, make sure to unplug your Kitchenaid range from the wall outlet to avoid any electrical hazards. This gives you a safe window to inspect and troubleshoot without risk. Step 1. Check the oven door. Open and close it a few times to see if it's sticking or not latching properly. Sometimes, a simple misalignment can trigger this error. If it feels jammed, gently clean the door seal and latch area with a soft cloth and mild detergent to remove any food residue or buildup that's causing the problem. Next, reset your range. After unplugging it, wait for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and power it up. This can clear temporary glitches. If the error persists, try running a self-clean cycle if your model supports it, as this might recalibrate the door lock. If that doesn't work, inspect the door lock assembly more closely. You might need to remove the door or access the control panel. Refer to your user manual for specifics. Look for any visible damage, like bent parts or loose wires. If you're not comfortable with this, it's time to call a professional technician to avoid voiding your warranty or causing further damage. Remember, if your range is still under warranty, contact Kitchenaid support first. They might offer free repairs. And always double-check that your appliance is properly installed and ventilated. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to banish that F5E0 error for good. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more home appliance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.